So we're going to remove the ear. Well, it's very tight, so this is done. Let's wipe this one and then let's put the plug here, so everything is all right here. Okay, this is done. Finally, everything is checked. Now let me check this one as well. In a little bit, yeah, this is a little bit loose, so better tight. So done. I just took out the battery terminal, so whenever I do something with Bolero or any other vehicle, I always take out the battery terminal, because so that, you know, the engine check light doesn't come out. So because I've already taken out this one switch, so basically I always take out the battery terminal. And for other safety purposes, so it's always good to take out the battery terminal. It depends on the individual. Also, this looks tight, I think. Yeah. So let's try to on the switch and we'll find out. So I can hear the sound of the diesel, so it's going to shoot up. It's working fine. So now, moment of truth. Let's see whether this is going to shoot up or not. So I'm going to throw away the diesel a little bit. Let's on the switch and then we'll try to take it. See that it's going up, so the pressure is very good. It has gone inside my mouth as well. So that's all.